In the amber-lit drawing rooms of late Victorian London, a cadre of engineers led by the eccentric inventor Elias Gearhart unveiled a marvel that straddled myth and machine, the chronometer Cortex. At first glance, the device looks like a massive mahogany cabinet clad in polished brass and riveted steel, its facade punctuated by towering columns of rotating cogs and steam-fed pressure gauges. Yet beneath that ornamental clatter lies a logical architecture eerily reminiscent of today's silicon-based processors. Form, the Cortex's external shell follows the classical proportions of a Victorian armoire, yet the interior is a labyrinth of gear trains, cams, and conical escapements. Over 12,000 precision-cut gears, each measured in fractions of an inch, interlock in a three-dimensional lattice. The main data path is a binary gear line where teeth of even numbers represent a logical 1 and odd numbers a 0. Power is supplied by a compact coal-fired boiler feeding a low-pressure steam engine. A set of regulators translates rotary motion into the rapid, discrete steps required for computation. Function, gear ratios encode mathematical operations. A pair of differential gears performs addition, while a series of stepped cams implement logical and/or functions. Input is entered via a brass typewriter keyboard that translates keystrokes into gear rotations. Output emerges on a series of steam-driven, moving type bars that print results onto parchment. In practice, the Cortex could solve linear equations, render simple graphs, and even simulate primitive cryptographic ciphers, tasks now trivial for a pocket calculator, but revolutionary in an age of hand-cranked tabulators. Aesthetic, the machine exhumes an intoxicating blend of industrial romance and rigid engineering. Hand-engraved ornamental flourishes mingle with exposed pistons, while polished brass catches the flicker of oil lamps, casting a golden sheen over the whirring mechanism. The visual language speaks to the Victorian fascination with order, progress, and the sublime beauty of machinery, transforming brute steel into a poetic conduit for abstract thought. Though never mass-produced, the chronometer Cortex stands as a speculative bridge between the age of steam and the digital future, reminding us that the heart of computation has always been the relentless turn of a gear.